I'm about to show you an app that is very different from a lot of apps where surveys involved, because this app is going to allow you to not only qualify for every survey, but you're going to answer the surveys in video responses for a minimum of 15 seconds, and you're going to make some good money doing it. And I got proof. But first, watch this. Okay, so here's the app real quick. I'll leave the link to it in the description. You see here I have $13.06. So here's the home page where you're going to answer your question. You'll see one pays $1, two pay 50 cents. Basically, you'll just click on it. You'll see the question that they're asking you to answer, and then you'll just record yourself in video response. I'm going to go through and do all three of these. So I'm going to I'll start with the first one. And the question detail, just make sure you kind of answer that fully. All right, so I'll just go through, I'll just record myself for at least 15 seconds, just making sure that I'm answering, kind of all the questions that they asked me to answer. That way I have, no issue getting credited. And then I'll go through it. When I'm done, I'll just click upload. You can play it if you want to, just to see how you sound it. But after I upload it, it takes like a couple seconds. Then I'll get this message, great. Then I go to the next one, another 50-cent one. Just look at the question, and then when you click on it, you'll see that they kind of ask you some other questions as well. So like I said, just make sure you kind of answer that fully in the video response. That way, you have no problems, or they have no problems, giving you your money. So again, just record yourself. And I'm just kind of fast forwarding through this part, just, so the video won't be so long. And so then you'll see here, same process. You just upload it. And it'll probably take, maybe a couple minutes for them to credit you. But after you've uploaded it, I'm going to do one more just to show you. Going back, got another one that's 50 cents. Again, just making sure that you're answering all the questions, because they do actually, look at these video responses. I've never had a problem getting credit. I've always got credit every time I've done the video, but I've always done it correctly. Like I said, it's a minimum of 15 seconds that you have to answer the question. And so this same process, I'll just upload this. And when it's done uploading, I'll get the great message right there. So your video was successfully uploaded. So you see here, I still have $13.06. It takes a minute for them to review it. So going back to the home page, you see I have no questions right now. But after a few minutes, you see they did credit me, and I got $15.06 from answering that dollar question and those 50 cents. So now I'm going to cash out via PayPal. So I'll just click on it. My information is already in there. Is this a PayPal email address you want to use? It is. So I'll click yes. And it says your payment will be there in 72 hours. And I did get it actually the next day. Here is the proof, $15.06. So they do pay. It is legit. And like I said, all you're doing is just answering the video questions, answering questions in video response, and not even surveys, just answering it. And, easy money. I'm going to show you how to get more questions as well, so you can kind of keep doing this all throughout the day. But like I said, this is my cash out for this previous cash out. And I'm going to actually show you my other one I got before this one, which is this one, $24.65. So I've been using it for a while. I've gotten paid. So now going back to the app, you'll see here I have no questions. So what I can do is at the top, unlock more video questions. I'll click on that, and it'll kind of ask me, some survey questions or whatever. So I just kind of go through and answer these accordingly. And, doing this, throughout the day is how you get more questions. It doesn't happen always automatically, but it's important that you do this from time to time. That way you can continue to get more questions, because eventually you will run out. And so when you're done with it, you'll get, this message right here. You may be available for new questions. And right there, actually 2 popped up, and they're both worth $2. So again, just showing you how easy it is. I'll just do one just to show you, even though I've already showed you 3 examples, but I'm not going to show you the recording response. Just now I'm going to upload it. I just fast forwarded through me actually doing the video recording, but same process, just uploading it. And you see here I have another question worth $1. And after sometimes you'll just answer questions and do a video response, and they'll give you another one. So it'll kind of continue to refresh, just showing you how easy it is. I've actually done all of these, and it got $3. I got $3 just doing that. So, I mean, this app is really good because it just continues to give you video questions. You just continue to answer them. Like I said, just making sure when you run out of questions that you continue to do the unlock more video questions. That way you continue to get your balance up. And with all the questions that I've actually done, I got $4.50 now, just kind of, just speeding through all of that recording process after I already showed you how it works. You kind of have an understanding of how it goes now. So I will leave the link to it in the description. I mean, it's very easy to use. You can put it on your phone, on your tablet, whatever you prefer, and just get paid to answer video responses. Very easy, very cool. It does pay, as you see in the proof. So download it, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.